Hey guys, one more thing I wanted to show you about grading for tests that I found. This right here is the Canvas app, and you find it in the App Store. Make sure you get the teacher version, not the student version. And it's a lot easier to grade in this app if you guys have a tablet. So when I click on it, it's a little bit different than the other one, and there are some limitations. Um, but for grading, I think this is the best place to do it. Um, my courses are up here in the left hand corner. Um, this is right here. This is my to do, and those are like all my ungraded assignments get listed there. There's two places to access assignments you need to grade. One is there, and then one is to go directly into the class. So earlier I uploaded a sample assignment in my algebra class, and so if you go to assignments right here, they don't have a full grade book because it's supposed to be on a phone or a tablet. The way they do assignments is just one at a time. So here's all my assignments on the left hand side, and then you can see these blue little circles tell me where I need to grade. So if you tap on this negative exponents assignment, say it'll tell me right here who is submitted, who is not submitted. It'll show the assignment right here, and if you tap on this arrow on the right hand corner, it'll give me a list of my students, and it'll show all the submissions. Now this was a this is kind of a test thing that I've been running, so a lot of people haven't submitted. But if I scroll down, this is my test student. This is who I submitted something under. So if I tap on this needs grading below my test student, what this is the example that I uploaded earlier. So this would be, I would create a test in a module, and I would link like a PDF in the text box, and then under the text box, when it says type of submission, you're going to click online and then allow to upload a file. And that's where the other two videos come in. That's how they're going to upload the files that I sent earlier. And then this is a picture on your end of what they uploaded. So here's their test, and your tools are up here if you want to write, if you've got a stylus. And then there's grades and comments down here that you can type in. And so what I like about this is if I'm going to click this little pen guy here, and you can choose the color over here that you want to use. And it's the writing mechanics are a lot more fluid than when I do this on the computer. And even if I do it on my iPad through Chrome and Canvas, the writing mechanics are really glitchy, and it looks like a 2-year-old wrote on it. But if I do this, the writing's really fluid, and I can write messages, and I can show where this should have been a +1 instead of a -1, and then I can say this is 3 out of 5 or whatever. This guy's 5 out of 5. And then on grades, when I'm done making comments, and if this is scanned, then the whole test will be in one document. You don't have to go page by page. So I would scroll and it would show me the next page. That's the idea. If they scan it, then it all gets submitted at once instead of taking 5 individual pictures of all 5 pages of the test or whatever. Then when I go down to grades right here, well, that's supposed to pop up. Hold on. There it is. Okay. Grades. Then I can move this circle to, whatever they got. If they got an 8 out of 10, then I do that. And then this grade right here links directly to the Canvas grade book. And so when I'm done, I can write some comments too. I can, down here, I can type, I can say, great job, or whatever, okay? And input that. And then when I'm done, I just hit right here, done. And that automatically now is in my grade book. Now, if you want to see that grade, I think the easiest thing to do is go onto your computer and look at your grading grid like you would normally in Canvas. It's kind of hard to see your class grades here, but and then you can go to the back button. You can grade another person or go back. And I haven't poked around with all of these, but you can see your modules here. They just look a little bit different in the app. So here's all of my these are all my links to my class office hours, and then this is all chapter 6 assignments that they need to do with due dates so far. So you can see what you've assigned and all that stuff, and then you can go in by assignment and grade. So I don't know, this seems a little bit more fluid. If that's helpful, I wanted to show you that. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys soon.